Act as teacher and explain to students the nature of the Earth. 08. 8.1. The structure of the Earth. The Earth we live on is the third planet from the Sun in the solar system. Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, Mars, Earth, Sun, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury. Figure 8.1. Solar system. When compared to other planets of the solar system, the Earth looks more beautiful because there are mountains, rivers, oceans, flora, and forests on it. Because of these favorable environmental conditions, there is life on Earth. The other planets are lifeless because of the non-existence of such environmental conditions. Figure 8.2. Different types of environments on the Earth. What is the nature of the inner part of this beautiful Earth? Geologists obtain information about the nature of the inner part of Earth using different methods. In times of volcanic eruptions, different types of rocks are brought to the surface of the Earth. By examining them, geologists obtain information about the inner part of the Earth. Geologists receive more information about the nature of the inner part by examining earthquakes. During earthquakes, huge rock movements within the Earth give rise to seismic waves. These waves reach the surface of the Earth by running through various layers of the Earth. Seismometers are installed in different stations of the Earth. Seismic waves are automatically marked by these seismometers. A seismometer is installed in Palakkele, Sri Lanka. The speed of seismic waves running through various layers of the Earth are different. Information about internal layers of the Earth can be obtained by measuring those speeds. That information has helped to discover that the inner part of the Earth consists of several layers different from each other. Core mantle. Figure 8.3. Cross-section of the Earth. Figure 8.4. Cross-section of a hard-boiled egg crust. As shown in Figure 8.3, the inner part of the Earth can be divided into 3 layers. They are core, mantle, and crust. It is a replica of a hard-boiled egg cut across from top to bottom. The inner parts of Earth can be compared to this replica of an egg. Egg yolk, core, egg white, mantle, egg shell, crust. Information on the structure of the Earth from its surface to the core are given below. Science vertical bar, the nature of the Earth 107, crust, mantle, outer core. Inner core, figure 8.5a, inner nature of the Earth. Crust. The surface of the Earth where life exists is the crust. When compared with the size of the Earth, it is a thin layer. Mountains, plains, and oceans are found on the crust. Its thickness varies from place to place. At the bottom of the oceans, its thickness is about 5 kilometers. On land, its thickness is about 35 kilometers. The Earth's crust consists of rocks and soil. It is made up of basic elements like oxygen, silicon, and aluminium. The Earth's crust provides most of the elements necessary for our sustenance, e.g., construction materials, metals, fossil fuel, soil for agriculture. Mantle. Underneath the Earth's crust lies the mantle. Its thickness is about 2,900 kilometers. It consists of rocks. These rocks contain oxygen, silicon, magnesium, and iron. The upper part consists of solid rocks. The lower part is made up of molten rocks due to extreme hot environment. Figure 8.5b. Thickness of the inner layers of the Earth, 1,100 kilometers, 2,400 kilometers, 2,900 kilometers. Core. The innermost part of the Earth is the core. Its thickness is about 3,500 kilometers. The upper part of it is made up of molten iron and nickel metals. The temperature of this area is between 4,400 OC, 5,000 OC. Due to high pressure, the lower part of the core remains hard. Its temperature is more than 5,000 OC, which is as high as the temperature on the surface of the Sun. 108. Science vertical bar, the nature of the Earth. Table 8.1. Layers of the Earth. Part of the Earth thickness composition elements present special information. Crust. Deep bottom of oceans 5 kilometers, land 35 kilometers. Rocks, soil, oxygen, silicon, aluminium. Very thin layer, mantle 2,900 kilometers, solid rocks and molten rocks. Oxygen, silicon, magnesium. Iron upper part consists of solid rocks due to high temperature. Molten rocks are in the lower part. Core 3,500 kilometers. Upper part consists of molten iron and nickel metals. Molten iron and nickel temperature between 4,400, 5,000 OC.